Hello. Welcome back to our English learning podcast. Today we are going to talk about one powerful method to improve your English conversation skills. It's called the shadowing technique. Now, you might be thinking, shadowing? Am I supposed to follow my shadow? Not that shadow, my friend. This is a language learning shadow. Let me explain in a simple way. The shadowing technique means you listen to a sentence in English and immediately repeat it, exactly like the speaker. Just like a shadow follows you, your voice follows the original voice. For example, if I say, I am learning English, you repeat quickly, I am learning English. Not after 1 minute, not after you translate it in your mind, immediately. Same speed, same tone, same style. Why is this useful? Because it trains your mouth, your ears, and your brain at the same time. You start thinking in English instead of translating from your mother tongue. Okay, let's practice together. Ready? I will say a simple sentence and you shadow me. Hello, how are you? I'm fine, thank you. What's your name? My name is Mike. Good. See how easy it is? Now, let's try a daily life conversation using shadowing. I will read both sides, and you repeat after me like a shadow. Don't worry about mistakes. Just follow my voice. Example. Excuse me, how much is this? It's 50 rupees. Can you give me a discount? Okay, 40 rupees. Perfect. You just shadowed a small conversation. Here's the secret. If you do this 10 minutes every day, your pronunciation, your listening, and your speaking will improve very fast. Now, some tips for shadowing. Choose simple content at first, like podcasts, short YouTube videos, or songs with clear lyrics. Listen with headphones for better focus. Don't pause after every word. Try to speak along with the audio, even if you miss a word. Record yourself sometimes and compare with the original voice. Remember, shadowing is like gym for your tongue. At first it feels heavy, but slowly you get stronger. Before we end, let's do one more shadowing practice with me. Ready? I want to speak English fluently. I practice every day with confidence. Mistakes don't scare me. English is my friend. Wow, that sounded great. So, my friends, if you really want to improve your English conversation, don't just study grammar. Practice speaking. Shadowing is your shortcut to confidence. Thank you so much for joining today's podcast. If you enjoyed this, share it with your friends and practice shadowing together. And remember, be confident, be consistent, and keep speaking English like a pro. See you next time.